So the aim of the theme was to build an art robot which can draw various images. So we decided to build a holonomic drive system which has advantages over the normally used differential drive systems, such as additional degree of freedom around the z-axis. So the learnings in this theme were ROS and Gazebo. ROS being the backbone, the network through which the devices communicate, the devices being the laptop and the bot. Then we have Gazebo, which was used in stage 1 to simulate the entire theme. Then we have image processing. So basically image processing is used in two tasks. So one is the detection of Aruko, which is used for localization in the arena. And the second thing, which is the part of the main task, is to extract the contours from the image. Then we have embedded systems and wireless communication. So the brain of the bot is a microcontroller, and all the data is sent from laptop to the microcontroller. So we have implemented wireless communication there. Then we have basics of control systems. So the task was to design a controller which will convert the image to waypoints and then draw that image. So in there we have used basic control, P controller, or some of them have also implemented a PD controller. And then we have CAD modeling to which is used for fabricating the bot. So as you can see, we have very unique designs here. So that is one of the main tasks to have very aesthetic design. So the tools used are pretty similar learning skills. First we have ROS, which is the networking. Then we have Gazebo, Python and OpenCV. Python and OpenCV are used for image processing as well as writing the controller script. Then we have Arduino, which is used to program the microcontroller. And then the teams had freedom to use any CAD modeling software. So the most commonly used were Autodesk Fusion 360 and SolidWorks. So coming to the environment, as you can see, a very simple environment. There is a blank canvas over here, and we have an overhead camera, which will be used for localizing the bot. So this team also had MakerBot. So the participants have designed and fabricated the board by themselves. So these were the basic components provided: a microcontroller, a overhead camera, some motor drivers, a motor, and omni wheels. Yeah. So coming to the tasks. So the theme was basically divided into two modes: the image mode and the function mode. So as usual, we started with some pretty simple image like a smiley face to draw, and then we went a level up by drawing our eYantra mascot, or known as Eyan. So similarly, in the other mode, the function mode, we gave the input as a form of parametric equations, and the team was supposed to draw those equations. So as you can see, the bot has multiple pins on it. So using that distance and some waypoints, we can draw very interesting patterns. So as usual, we started with very simple infinity curve or Lissajous curve, and then we move ahead to some complex butterfly curve. You can see here. So we'll see the theme video now. Yeah, so moving on to the score. So we are going to score the scorer score.